Now, Halvard, one of the realities with older vessels is that the fuel consumption tends to go up. It's your view that batteries can help deal with this problem?
Yeah, the diesel engine have been much more efficient in the later years than previously, and due to that, the fuel consumption on older vessels is quite high. The battery will then reduce that and help these being more manageable or challenge. Yeah, they will be more effective.
And in fact, someone from the audience said they were looking at using batteries to this end on their fleet of DP1 vessels.
Yeah, this will work equally as good on any DP class vessels because the whole reason for having the batteries is to avoid engines running, and that will work very well on DP1.
One of the abiding questions when it comes to batteries is power range and life expectancy.
Yeah, so the power range is normally up to 3 times the battery on the batteries type we have. And the expected lifetime is normally about 10 years design life. And that's what all the 14 offshore vessel, DP offshore vessels have, we have currently delivered for, is based on a 10-year design life.
You presented a case study with a vessel on DP mode. Now, was that vessel being operated solely on battery, or was it genset on standby in addition?
No, there is the way of operating a DP vessel is to use minimum 1 genset, if that is enough, and then have the battery as a spinning reserve, avoiding you to have a second genset in operation, and that is the saving. You don't plan to go in with battery in DP, solely on battery in DP mode, but it is a spinning reserve in DP mode.
What is the cost of a typical install on, say, a PSV?
The total cost of the installment on a PSV depends on not only the battery, but also the deck house and the power electronics and the layout of the vessel. And this varies from project to project. And this is actually the people who knows the total cost is the electrical integrator, not the battery supplier.
And tell me about feasibility when it comes to 11 kV vessels.
Yeah, the AC voltage on a vessel is not an issue for the battery. The battery system works normally around 800 to 1100 volt DC, and it can be transformed to any AC voltage via transformer and a converter.
And finally, Halvard, where are you going to take the technology tomorrow?
Tomorrow we are going to take the technology into larger applications like semi-subs and oil platforms and all kind of heavy duty offshore DP vessel.